Here, you can clearly see the electric motor directly integrated with the steering rack. This motor, guided by intelligent sensors, provides precise assistance exactly when and where it's needed, allowing for highly tunable steering feel and remarkable efficiency.
Limit. While hydraulic systems offer natural steering feel, they constantly use engine power.
In hydraulic power steering, a pump driven by the engine pressurizes fluid. Modern cars now use electric power.
Have you ever wondered how your Taurus plastic or lights are tougher?
Now, contrasting that, here's a detailed look inside a typical hydraulic power steering pump. Notice the vanes and the rotor mechanism. This unit constantly draws power from your engine to pressurize the hydraulic fluid. This continuous circulation of fluid is what provides the assistance in an HPS system, offering that familiar, natural road feel. So, what does this mean for your driving? On one side, electric power steering shines in efficiency. It's power on demand, only activating the motor when you're actively turning the wheel, which can lead to better fuel economy. On the other, hydraulic power steering represents a constant load on your engine, as its pump is always working, continuously drawing power even when driving straight.